GM and welcome to a new video. Today we're going to talk about deBridge, and what you can see here, is my previous video on deBridge from, I think it's it's 5 months now since this video, and now's the time to claim your tokens, or at least check your eligibility and also sign the agreement that you can then actually get the tokens once the TGE, so the token generation event actually happens. So now, what do you need to know? This is the last video, as I said, but now let's talk about the deBridge checker. You can find it if you go to the deBridge application. I put the link down in the description. As always, everything that I show you here, the link to all of this is in the description. This is the deBridge app, and as you can see here, the season 1 checker is live. You can click on it here. Also, when you go to your points, you can go to check eligibility, and then you get redirected to the deBridge.foundation address. You can see here I'm connected. You can also enter your address. It can be an EVM address, so basically your Ethereum address or your Solana address, and then check eligibility or connect your wallet. In my case, this is Rabby, and then you can see your points. And as you can see here, this is my EVM address. The recipient address would be a Solana address, which means this will be a token on Solana. Even though in the beginning it was basically all EVM chains, then they introduced Solana, and now the token will be on Solana as well. So you will need to have a Solana address, even though you just use deBridge for swaps or cross-chain swaps with EVM chains. As you can see here, available to claim soon, so it's not live yet, but it will be soon. My total allocation is 2,100 DBR, and you're a deBridge power user and made it to the top 10% on the leaderboard. 50% of your allocation will be claimable at TGE, and the other 50% 6 months later. So with place 43,000, apparently I'm in the top 10%. So I only can access 1,050 DBR, and after 6 months the other half of it. I don't know, the token trades for roughly 3 cents on whale market, so it's not much, but you never know how it develops. And you can choose here, if you read the terms and conditions, then you can, or beforehand, you can check claim on-chain at TGE. This is the main toggle, or you can claim off-chain to a centralized exchange, which will cost 0 gas fees, although this is in Solana, so the gas fees aren't that much. Central exchanges that you can choose are BitGet, KuCoin, Gate.io, Maxi, and BitTrue. So if you have an account there, then you could send it to your central exchange there, but actually I'm gonna send it to my Solana address. So what you would need to do is either claim, send it to a centralized exchange, or sign the terms and conditions, and there you can enter your Solana address, which is what I'm gonna do later, and then just put it in here. Or even safer, if you have the Phantom wallet here and the wallet is connected, you could just connect it and then therefore make sure it's the correct address, confirm it, and then on TGE you will be able to claim. So that's it. I hope you got a lot of DBR tokens and it was worth it using the bridge. Let me know how much you got in the comments, and if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time.